Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show how to make this animation by using background image, person image in PNG format. First of all, create index.html file and open in editor of your choice. In body, create container, create another div with class container images, div with class images, add images, class, circle, source ./1.jpg. Copy this line, change class circle to img and img1, and image also change. Add another 3 divs. First one was class divider, second one was class name and name of person, third one was class title, and position that person occupying the company. So in this case, name it is Beatrice, it is a randomly selected name, and title front-end developer, which is also randomly selected. Save it, open in browser of your choice or start live server, reload the page. So now background image as well as person image, name and position in company displayed. Next part it is to add style to it. This is a small project, so I will add style in index.html file. I will not create a separate CSS file. Margin and padding 0. For body, height will be maximum height. Display flex wrap, and everything will be centered. Reload the page. Container width will be 280 pixels with flex direction column and everything aligned on center. For container images, width will be 400 pixels, height 312 pixels, with border radius 50%. This scale, which is 0.48, means that image will be reduced more than in half of its size. Reload the page. For container images after, content stays the same, height 10 pixels, width 100 pixels, and top 390 pixels. When container image hovered, it will be transformed scale 0.54 from initial 0.48. Image will be displayed from top minus 200 pixels with transform origin 50% and added clip path. Circle width 380 pixels, height also 380 pixels, with border radius 50% and added background of white color. Image position relative with added transform translate y 20 pixels and scale 1.2. With transform origin 50% from bottom and added transition. When container image hovered, image will be transformed, translate 0 and scale 1.2. Reload the page. Now on hover, image increase in size to 1.2. Image width will be 340 pixels with added top and left. Next we will add divider that will be displayed between images and person's name and position in company. Width will be 160 pixels, height only 1 pixel, and pinkish color. Divider added. Next part it is to add style to name as well as position in company. Name margin top will be 15 pixels with font size 35 pixels, and I've added letter spacing. The position in company of that person will be displayed in font size 18 pixels with margin top 5 pixels. Reload the page. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please consider subscribing and press like button.